Kids, today we are going to do plus 7 mixed complements formula. What is the plus 7's formula? Same, plus 10 minus 3. This is called mixed complements because the way to apply it is different. Okay. I have 7 with me. I have to do 7 again in this. What is the formula of plus 7, big friends? Plus 10 minus 3. How will I do minus 3? I will apply the formula of minus 3. I can do small friends. I did minus 5 plus 2. Minus 3 small friend is minus 5 plus 2. What we are doing again? Plus 7 equals to plus 10 minus 3. Plus 10 I easily did. For minus 3 I didn't have enough beats. So I did minus 3's formula also. Because wherever in Abacus you won't have enough beats. Anytime, everywhere, n number of times you can apply its formula. Okay, let's look again at 7. Again, I have to do add 7. What did I tell you? Add 10 minus 3. I don't have beats for minus 3. Minus 3 is formula now. Minus 5 plus 2. Okay. Okay, ma'am, got it. Now I have 6 with me. I have to do plus 7. Plus 10, ma'am. Minus 3, I don't have beats. Okay. We can apply the formula of minus 3. Minus 5 plus 2. Clear? In some sources, direct formulas are mentioned. Like it is plus 10 minus 5 plus 2, like that. But it's up to you which formula you have to learn. I have made you understand this formula because you don't have to burden yourself with more formulas now, right? You can just get your understanding clear with these formulas only, the old formulas you learned. Okay, let's do a complicated question. At 7, at 6 we learned in the previous video. At 10 less 4. Now I have to do less 4 again. Big friends. I don't have small friends. Less 10 at 6. I have to do at 5 now. At 10 less 5. Now I'll do add 3. Add God less friends. Small friends. Now I have to do at 7. I don't have beats. At 10 less 3. Okay. That is your answer 24 for complicated ones. Now easy ones. At 7, at 2, minus 7, at 5, minus 1, and at 7. At 10 less 3. This at 10 less 3 is the formula of 7 that I am applying, okay? Now, that's your answer, okay? Now, for any more doubts you have, any more suggestions you want to give, that ma'am include this, include that, you let me know in the comments. I'll get back to you and we'll go through it, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.